Good morning, guys. How are you? I hope all of you are good today. Okay. Before we talked about how can we are solving the absolute value equations, okay, and also how can we are solving the absolute value inequalities. Okay. The third lesson, it's talking about absolute value function. Absolute value what? Absolute value function. Before we start, we have a warm up to refresh our mind. Okay, evaluate the expression. Evaluate. Evaluate the expression. Number one, absolute value of 6 minus 4. How can I evaluate or how can I find the value of the absolute value 6 minus 4? It's very easy. First, evaluate that the operation inside the absolute value, okay? 6 minus 4, of course, it's equal to. After that, find the absolute value of 2. And the absolute value of 2, it's equal what? Yes, it's equal to. Okay, another one. Negative absolute value of negative 3 minus 1 equal what? Also, I will evaluate, yes, the operation that inside the what? The absolute value. Then it will be absolute value negative 3 plus negative 1, it's a negative what? Negative 4. And the absolute value of negative 4, of course, equals to 4. Okay. Another one. Absolute value of 2 minus what? 2 minus 10. It's equals to 2 minus 10, it's what? Yes, it's a negative 8. And the absolute value of negative 8, it's a positive what? It's a positive 8. Okay, another one. Absolute value of negative 5 plus what? Plus 12. Okay, I will calculate the operation that inside the absolute value. Negative 5 plus 12, it's positive what? Yes, it's a positive 7. And the absolute value of 7, it's equals to what? To 7. Okay, if I have absolute value function, okay, how can I calculate it? Okay, all of you, attention please. Evaluate the function when x equal 2 and x equal negative 3. Evaluate the function when x equal 2 and x equal negative what? Negative 3. Okay, and the function f of x equal absolute value of x minus 5. How can you evaluate that function when x equal 2 and x equal what? Negative 3. Okay, first I will evaluate that function when x equal what? When x equal 2. I will write here when x equal 2. Just replace in the function, okay, with x equal 2. I will write f2 equal absolute value 2 minus what? Minus 5 equal 2 minus 5, it's a negative 3. Absolute value negative 3, and of course it's equal positive 3. Then the value of the function when x equal 2, it's what? 3. Okay, after that, when x equal to negative 3, when x equal negative what? Negative 3. Also, I will replace, okay, with x negative 3. I will write f negative 3 equal absolute value negative 3 minus what? Minus 5 equal Negative 3 plus negative 5, it's a negative what? It's a negative 8. And the absolute value of negative 8, it's equal to what? It's equal to 8. And that's it. Okay. Another one. Another one, the function g of x, okay, equal absolute value of x plus 8. Also, when x equal 2 and x equal negative 3. Okay, when x equal 2 first. Okay, I will write g 2 equal absolute value of 2 plus 8 equal. Absolute value of 2, it's a 2. 2 plus 8, it's equal 10. Then the value of the function when x equal 2, it's what? 10. Okay, when x equal negative 3. Also, just to replace, I will write g negative 3 equal absolute value negative 3 plus what? Plus 8. Absolute value of negative 3, it's what? 3 plus 8. Yes, it's equals to what? To 11. Then the value of the function when x equal negative 3, it's equal positive what? Equal positive 11. Now we know how can we are solving the what? The function when he give me what? The value of the variable. Okay. I hope all of you understood what I said. Okay, guys?